Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Queen of My Dreams. Today I am going to show you how to prepare kadha. Let's see the recipe. These are the ingredients. I am going to show you what are those. This is black pepper powder. This one is turmeric powder. This one is carom seeds, also called ajwain. This one is cinnamon. This one is whole bay leaves. This one is cloves. And this one is black cardamom. And this one is basil leaves, also called tulsi patta. This one is ginger. This is jaggery. I am going to start the preparation. I am going to add 1.5 cup of water. I am adding crushed ginger, ajwain, and also turmeric powder, and tej patta I am adding, and cloves I am adding, and basil leaves, cardamom, and cinnamon, black pepper powder, let it boil for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, add jaggery. Again let it boil for 2-3 minutes. Now your delicious kadha is ready. Now filter out and serve. This kadha is immunity booster and helps to develop your immunity, which is very much important in this corona time. Stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye friends.